Drilling in contract data reports allows you to look in greater detail at the data your report has returned. Drilling can be done in standard, administrative, and ad hoc reports. Let's look at standard reports first. You must be signed in to your SAM.gov account to view standard reports. From the home page, let's select Data Bank located in the header menu. The report we are looking at is the Awards by Contractor Type Standard Report run for fiscal year 2019 on the Department of Defense. Let's say that we want to know more about which subtiers and offices within the DoD have spent contracting dollars on small businesses. First, right-click on the data that you want to drill into. Where you want to go to a more detailed attribute. Right-clicking brings up a menu with a drill option. Click on Drill and you will see the levels to which you can drill. Let's drill to the contracting office. Note that you can only drill on report attributes. If you right-click on a piece of data or metric in the report, the drill option will not appear. We can now sort by small business dollars in descending order to show the contracting offices within DoD that have spent the most on small business contracts. Now, suppose that we are interested in learning more about how the top 5 of those offices spent their dollars. By clicking on the first row in the contracting office field, then holding down the Shift key while clicking that field in the 5th row, we can select the top 5 lines of that report. If we then right-click on the contracting office field, we can drill down to the Procurement Instrument Identifier, or PID, for those 5 offices. From there, we can sort and filter to continue to refine the report, or we can export it for further analysis. Drilling in administrative reports works the same way as it does in standard reports. Only federal users with an administrator role can view administrative reports. Now, let's look at an example of drilling within an ad hoc report. Here is a saved ad hoc report for DoD dollars obligated to small businesses for fiscal year 2019. It is not exactly the same as the standard report because it's for dollars obligated, and it is already filtered to show only small business dollars, so the numbers will look a little bit different. In this report, let's drill to the contracting agency ID first. The process of drilling is the same. Right-click on the attribute you want to explore and choose Drill. Then choose the attribute that you want to drill to. We now have a list of all the DoD agencies that obligated dollars to small businesses in the fiscal year 2019. Now, let's try drilling on an entire column. If we right-click on the column header for Contracting Agency ID and drill to Major Command Code, we get each agency's dollar obligated to small businesses broken out by Major Command. For example, we can see that under Agency ID 2100, which is the Army, the National Guard Bureau, NGB, obligated just over $1 billion to small businesses in fiscal year 2019. From here, we could drill into one or more major commands, filter or sort, or export the data at this level for further analysis. Whether in standard, administrative, or ad hoc reports, drilling allows you to get more detail about the attributes that interest you. Thank you for watching this video on drilling in contract data reports. For more information, please visit the contract data page linked from the SAM.gov homepage. Remember, you can search the Federal Service Desk Knowledge Base for additional videos and frequently asked questions, or get help with technical issues at fsd.gov. To provide GSA feedback about features, functionalities, or about the user experience in SAM.gov, click the feedback button located at the bottom of the site.